Dear students, now let us discuss another topic of this chapter, that is, what do official records not tell? Dear students, no doubt official records produce abundant literature which helps us to know about the modern history of India. But we must remember that these are official records. They were written and maintained by the British officials. They only tell us what the officials thought, what they were interested in, and what they wished to preserve for prosperity. These records do not always help us to understand what other people in the country felt, what lay behind their actions. For that, we need to look elsewhere. When we begin to search for these other sources, we find them in plenty. We have diaries of common people, accounts of pilgrims, travelers, autobiographies, biographies that were sold in the local bazaars. These, these sources help us to understand the real picture of India during Britishers. So, these official records, it not helps us in any way to understand the needs of the people of India. So, official records also hide truth and only show one aspect of the event. So, these official records also not represent the fallout of the British administration. Only the positives of the Britishers are shown in these official records, because these official records are maintained and written according to the British policies and interest. Therefore, these official records in no ways represent the reactions and situation of the Indians. So we are not getting the information of the common people, the reaction of the common people towards the British rule, their social, economic, political, and the cultural life. We are not able to know whether they were satisfied with the British rule or not. All that information is missing over here in it, because whatever the information we are getting with the help of official records, that we are getting from only British perspective. So here we are not getting any information in Indian perspective. Therefore, the information we are getting from official records or non-reliable source of history. Thank you. This was all about this topic.